My name is Helena Hope, and I'm with ESAB, and I am working in the Canadian Welding Supply booth here at Fabtech. This is my first Fabtech, so I'm very excited to be here. I'm going to walk you through our ESAB Cobot. So this is our full unit here. This is our UR10 rope Cobot arm. We also have a UR20, which is about twice the size. And we run everything through an app. And basically, we have a parts list and a playlist. So you can program parts and then add them to a playlist. So we'll just start with a new parts. We'll do Fabtech CA. Next, this is our welding parameters, so we can pick any one, doesn't really matter. UC settings, perfect. All right, and now we're ready to teach. So with this Cobot, this is our teach pack. And it has two buttons. So the top button is our free drive, and this is how we use to move the Cobot. And the bottom button is our teach button. So anytime we want to teach any points, this is what we're going to do. So I'm going to hold this down, and it's going to change to an air move down below. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by teaching it an air move to about right above the part. Perfect. And then what I'm going to do, change it back to a weld. We're going to start with a basic linear weld. So we'll go down here, line it up, teach 1 point, other side, teach an end point, change to a air move. I'll teach an air move up here, sorry. And then we're done. So we're going to add that to a new playlist, and we're going to run it. So what's really neat about this is that you can watch it on the app as it's welds, so you know exactly what point it's at, and if you want to go in and touch up anything, rather that's the type of weld or the welding parameter itself.